Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 7. So as usual, early in morning, revise all basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, formulas, etc. So on daily basis, revise all basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of each subject. And after that, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs. And who are beginners, they can prefer from Adda 247 or Grade Up. And who are already preparing, they can prefer from Affairs Cloud or Study IQ. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video. And there is a live class from Adda YouTube channel by Santosh sir. So on daily basis, watch an editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel. And after that, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant and reasoning for practicing pre-level. And for quant pre-level, yesterday we watched videos for quadratic equations and today we practiced, and tomorrow also practice PDFs or attempt quizzes for quadratic equations. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes, so use all those PDFs and quizzes for our pre-level. And who are beginners for reasoning pre-level, tomorrow watch videos for syllogisms based on only and few. So tomorrow watch videos for syllogisms and then practice PDFs for that. And in afternoon, who are beginners, they repeat the morning schedule like practicing PDFs for your weak areas where you are lacking. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from many apps. So who are beginners, they all use all those PDFs for your pre-level, and those are very helpful for our pre-level exams. So use all those PDFs and attempt quizzes. And who are preparing for mains, in afternoon, attempt quizzes for data sufficiency for quant mains. And for reasoning mains, attempt quizzes for critical reasoning. And also for English mains, attempt quizzes for parajumbled questions. And we have many free PDFs and quizzes from SmartKidam and also from Practice Mock. So use all those PDFs and quizzes for our mains preparation, and those are freely available. So use all those. And after that, give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness, read Banking System of India topic from 20th page to 29th page. And for computer awareness also, read computer architecture from 15th page to 19th page. And these two PDFs are in my Telegram group, and you can check from my Telegram group. And after that, in evening also, give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And from 2 days, we are reading April 2nd week current affairs. So tomorrow attempt quizzes April 2nd week current affairs from one of your source. And in practice mock, we have free quizzes for current affairs. So practice all those. And after that, attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source. And after attempting it, analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And also, I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And thank you.